Hello, welcome to Profit System. In this video, I shall show you how to update Profit System Sprint software and run the software. You are currently in the dashboard and you can see that the OHLC updated till date is 4th September 2013. You can also see that there is something called action report trail and action report target. You can actually trade with two different methodologies. One is with trailing stop loss, the other one is with the targets mentioned. You can see in this trailing current position, short position, entry date is when did you take this short position, at what point you took this, that is the entry point, and what is the action required is shown in the action required column, and the exit point, what point you need to exit this current position. So if you are starting afresh, don't look at the first box, just concentrate on the second box. That means you have an opportunity to go long at 34,505 with the stop loss of 32,603 with the initial risk of 1902.11. Now I shall go to OHLC and reconfirm the till what date this tool is updated. You can see here that this tool is updated till 4th September 2013. Now let me go to mcxindia.com. Then go to market data. Click on Bhav Copy. Click on Bhav Copy commodity wise and click on Gold Mini. So I am taking Gold Mini in this example and choose the current month contract. So I need the 5th September data. So I am selecting the 5th September data and I say go. So now I say view in Excel. Click on this. It gets opened here. Copy this OHLC. When I say OHLC, I mean open, high, low, close. Copy this into this tool, and this is for 5th September 2013. Now go back to dashboard, and this we have updated the data in OHLC. Once the tool is updated for the current day, the immediate day, data, now go to actions and choose your different strategies. You have 1 to 6 for Gold Mini. We are doing sprint 1 and choose the PS factor. You again have from 0 to you have up to 1 and we are choosing 0.1. You can also have your stop loss and target factor set here and you say run now. Once you say run now, you can see that this tool is getting updated. You can also see the status bar here. Now currently it is updating, saying 25%, 79%, 39%, 33%. While this tool is running, you can actually perform your other work. So you can also go and browse the other tools. It is almost done. Now you can see here that this is 100% done. Now go back to dashboard and you can see here that you are not seeing anything in the target. This which means that the target has been met and you need to wait for the long entry. And in this you can see that the current position is short position and entry date, entry point, action required, exit point. Now go to actions. The actions sheet gives you day by day summary of the positions held. Let me give you an example. On 27th we exited the short position which was on for 26th and we went long, that is a long entry. And for 29th we are holding long position, 30th we are holding a long position, 31st we are holding a long position, and we are exiting this long position on 1st August 2013 and we are going short. So again we are holding this short position for one more day, that is on 2nd, and the story continues. So this gives you day by day summary of the actions performed and the current position which is in short and what is the point that which you need to exit your short. Go to dashboard, then you can see trade book trailing. So in this actions, if I want to calculate where this exit has come, entry has come, instead of manually doing it, I can directly go to trade book trailing and check out where the entry and exits have come. 9th July, 15th July we exited this long. Again we entered short on 15th July and we exited this on 18th July. Again 18th July we went long. This is what we call it as cycle trading. You enter the fresh position, for example here at this price 26,322, I enter one lot of gold mini, and while exiting I place the stop loss for two lots, and again the two lots story continues. You can also see here in this trade book trail what was your initial stop loss, that is when you initiated the trade, and what was the risk at that point in time, and what is the profit, total points gain or loss. You can see here that the initial risk was 288, but the points gained is 355. You can for the next trade you can see that there is a 198 points initial risk with which you entered the trade and you made a profit of 16 points. So the story continues, 553 minus 232, 398, 240, 273, 27, and you have a huge profit here in terms of 2956. That's a total profit of 29,504 for a initial risk of 267. And in terms of percentage profit calculation, percentage P&L is, it is 10%, while the other losses that you can see, they are in minus 0.88, minus 0.89. This will also give you for how long this trade was, you were in this particular trade. On the left hand side you can see these are the columns that you can actually input. For example, I can, if you are paying a brokerage of 0.02, please enter 0.02. You can enter lots based on the lot size. If you are, whatever you are doing, enter the lot size, enter the initial capital. If you are adding or deleting any capital, you can also enter that. Once you enter these 6 fields, you will get to know what was your total capital, net profits, net losses. It will also give you the total commissions that you are actually paying, and it will subtract all that commission and other stuff, and it will give you the percentage returns and the net worth. So you can see here that you started off this business with 25,000 and you end up at 74,000 rupees. That is a whopping 196% for a period of 9th July to till date. This is for gold mini. You can also see what was the average profit or loss per trade, average profit on winners. When you win, how much you win, when you lose, how much you lose, and average days per trade. You can see here that on an average you were on a particular trade for a period of 4.38 days, and when you are winning, you were on a winning trade for 6.57. when you are losing, you were on the losing trade only for 1.83. You can also note here that you will not be on more number of days when you are losing, when your position is losing, and you will be on more number of days when your position is in a winning position. You can also see your reward risk ratio, which in this sample is about 3.64. So that means if you have risked 1 rupee, your potential was to gain 3.6 rupees. Total number of trades, winning trades, losing trades. You can see here the percentage of winners is 53%, percentage of losers is 56%, win to loss ratio 1.17, and all other statistics pertaining to this sample size. Let us go back to dashboard again, and now let us have a look at trade book target. So this will give you the statistics pertaining to the target method. Again, all the statistics hold good here. Let me change the initial capital to 25,000, and the lot size for gold mini is 10. As I told you earlier, you can make modifications in these first 6 fields, and you can also see what is the statistics for this particular method. And then you can click on chart trailing. So this will give you this runtime error, which means that the row selected is not within your range. Let me show you how this is, how to correct this. You can go to actions, and if you need the chart from say 16th July, which is 10th row number, to the last row number, that is 5th September 2003, which is 53. Just put this 53 and it shall plot you the chart for that particular time frame. So you don't have to worry about this chart much, because wherever this chart is intersecting, all these points are shown in the dashboard, in the actions, in the tradebook trail, in the tradebook target up to 2 decimal points. You can also see the chart target here. If you want to zoom something, you can just vary this starting row number and ending row number, and you will be able to zoom the particular graph. So this ends a small presentation on Profit System Sprint. Please share your feedback and comment below if you have any doubts. Thank you. Please visit profitsystem.in and also like us on our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/profitsystem to get free updates and info on Profit System and trend following philosophy. Thank you.